Hey you guys, it's me again, Jasper. And today I'm just gonna show you how to make a bow. Well, make a bow the lazy way, like this. Right now, pay no mind to this shoe because I'm in the process of changing it up and making it look a lot better. So, how to make one of these bows the lazy way. And what you would need is scissors, glue gun, and ribbon. So you want to cut a piece. It doesn't matter how long, but I've already cut mine. So there you go. Next, you want to go ahead and start with just by taking an end of the ribbon and folding it like this. Fold it so it's like that. And then once you get the size you want it, you would take, like this side would be the outside or the big pieces on the end. I would take it and then cut it right here. Okay, just like that. And now that it's cut, after you get it folded to where you want it to be, you'll just take the glue gun and put it here, dap in the center, and press it together, and then do the same thing for the other side. You only need a little bit because in the end it will be kind of thick in the middle, which is not too bad. And with the same piece of ribbon that you cut earlier, you want to do the same thing. Basically fold it this way and this way. Make sure it's the same length. Just like that. And then you want to cut it. Just to measure it up. See, same length. Do this, repeat the same steps. Just a dap in the center, hold it together, and a dap on the outside. And the beauty of this is while it's still hot, you can sort of manipulate the glue to where you want it. And then we have the two pieces for the outside. These two will go just like this. You don't have to, but you can go ahead and glue it down. Just like that. So I guess I'll go ahead and do that now. Just a little dap in the center. Hold it. You'll take your same piece of ribbon. See, this is the beauty of this type of bow, the lazy way. You don't need a lot of ribbon for it. And now you want to make the small pieces, these here, and this way and this way. It's the exact same size and everything, so that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. And be sure to check out the video where I do the heel